For a normal eye, the cornea of eye provides a converging power of 40D, and the least converging power of the eye lens behind the cornea is 20D. Using this information, what will be the distance between the retina and the eye lens of the eye? In order to estimate the distance between the retina and the eye lens, we can use the lens formula given by 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, where f is nothing but the focal length, u is the object distance, which is effectively at infinity for a normal eye, and v is the image distance, which is nothing but the distance between lens and the retina, which we are finding. For a normal eye, the cornea and the eye lens together act as a system of lenses with their combined power P, and it is given by P is equal to P cornea plus P lens. Here we have P cornea as 40D and P lens as 20D. And upon adding we get P is equal to 60D. The focal length F is related to power P by P is equal to 100 by F. Substituting P as 60D, we get F is equal to 100 by P, which is nothing but 100 by 60. Thus, the distance between the retina and the eye lens is 1.67 centimeters. The correct option is B.